You're a great parent. You're a great professional. But why does it still feel like you're constantly falling short in both? You're not lazy. You're not doing anything wrong. You're just trying to do two full-time jobs at once, and no one gave you a manual. But here's a twist. What if the goal isn't perfecting balance? What if the real win is building a rhythm that works for your family? Let's talk about how to do that. Hello, I'm Jonathan, co-founder of Parent Portfolio, a personal finance author, and most importantly, a dad of two. My wife and I built our business while working full-time jobs and raising our kids. And let me tell you, figuring out the money was one challenge, but managing our time, that was a whole other story. For years, we constantly felt behind, missing school events, late dinners, and bedtime routines that felt more rushed than restful. Eventually, we realized we didn't need more hours in the day, we need a better system and a whole lot more grace. So, in this video, I'll walk you through the strategies that help to stop the chaos and start showing up better for our kids and for ourselves. As working parents, we often beat ourselves up for not spending enough time with our kids. But what I've learned is that 10 minutes of fully present time matters more than an hour of distracted multitasking. For example, every morning before I start work, I sit with my daughter while she's eating breakfast. No phone, no email, just us. It's a small window, but it's our moment. Whether it's bedtime stories, cooking together, or a quick walk after dinner, those short, intentional moments build deep connection. Don't chase more hours. Make the ones that you have count. Structure brings sanity. One thing that transformed our household was building a predictable rhythm. We have a set wake-up time, screen time rules, and bedtime routines that our kids can rely on. We also sit down every Sunday evening to map out our week. School events, meetings, dinner plans, everything. It's a 15-minute family huddle that helped us avoid surprises and stay aligned. Even if life throws you a curveball, having a base routine keeps the whole family grounded. The moments you leave and return home matter more than you think. I used to rush out the door with a quick bye and walk in the house still on work calls. My kids noticed, and so did I. Now, when I leave for work or log into a work day from home, I take 60 seconds to hug my kids and tell them something kind. And when I end my workday, we have a 5-minute reconnect ritual. Sometimes it's a dance party. Sometimes it's playing sports or playing catch. These transitions set the tone and help your kids feel secure even if your day was hectic. So let's talk about something most working parents carry: guilt. Guilt for not being at every school event, guilt for wanting to rest instead of play, guilt for checking your phone during dinner. But guilt doesn't help us show up better. It just drains us. So here's what helped me. I created a hard stop time each evening when my work shuts down, no matter what. I also turned off work notifications on the weekends. And guess what? The world didn't fall apart. Your job is important, but so is your peace of mind. Boundaries protect both. Not every parenting moment needs to be a Pinterest perfect memory. You can bond with your kids while folding laundry, cooking dinner, or running errands. My son loves helping me shop for groceries, even if it takes twice as long. But during those trips, we talk, we laugh, and I get a window into his world. Everyday tasks become connection opportunities when we slow down enough to include them. And it teaches your kids responsibilities too. You were never meant to do this alone. Ask your partner to share the load. Rotate pickup duties. Create a chore chart that actually works. We use grocery delivery during busy seasons and say yes to help from family and friends. That doesn't make us weak, it makes us wise. The strongest families aren't the ones who do it all, they're the ones who do it together. You can't pour from an empty cup. Even if it's just 10 minutes a day, schedule time for you. For me, that's reading a book or journaling every morning. Sometimes it's a quick walk. Sometimes it's just sitting in silence. When I protect that time, I show up as a better dad, husband, and a human. Remember, you matter too. So let's recap. Make the moments count, not just the minutes. Build routines that serve your family, not stress them. Honor transitions. Set boundaries with your work and your guilt. Involve your kids in your daily life. And for the love of your sanity, ask for help. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel already if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Also, please drop in the comments the biggest thing that's holding you back or giving you burnout. I would love to hear it. Let me know in the comments down below. Once again, I appreciate your support. Have yourself a great day.